Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can post anonymously in a Facebook group. For that, head over to your Facebook app, then get logged into your account and simply open a group which you are a member of, and then you will see a page like this. Now as you do that, you will see post as anonymous participant. All you have to do is tap onto it, let's say hi or something, and you can also use your nickname if you would like by selecting use nickname. But in my case, I would like to just keep my username as anonymous participant. Now, it will allow you to add a picture, video, write your post, whatever you would like. Once done, select post here. Now, if your group admin has certain criteria, it will be submitted to group admins for approvals, right? So as they approve your post, you will be able to see your content or your status or your post right here. And this is how it is done. Thank you for watching.